It starts like you are watching a fairy tale, a lifestyle content creator who is living her best life and sharing with her audience. Then you get to the comment section and then you see, good to know, man, Yizo, the return, Baba. What in the WWE SmackDown is going on? Maneo and Sinegoku. Who is France? Who is Russia? I didn't do history, so I don't know which countries were involved in World War II. Russia. No, Russia ile yaga Mussolini ngithi. Hayi, ngizokusha Chile iyababa 605 mahlathi uyahlabeka libitso laka. Umthwaraso linake muthwaraso bese sunaso linake musunaso bese linake ye yani amukela kwinkqubo yami bomntaba kadadi bomntaba kagogo bomntaba ka-anti bomntaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want a bigger audience for your business platforms or you want more people to come see your YouTube channel, Mtwarek Amokhala, I have got you covered. Bro, I don't like the way some of you got to know me yesterday, especially if it was your first time on your channel. This channel is all about humor, fun, and vibes. I see you unless they come for us. Ungasukeli inyoka ihleli emgodini. And those of you who called me ugly, my father may be a deadbeat, but he's got very amazing genes. Wangibona? No makeup. Nakhana fela mangafaka lezi zinto zenzabo Shakira ngizoba njani. So please, before you come and lie under oath on the Sims Right Management channel, isibheke wena esipilini wenze 360. If you don't have a long mirror, go to Pep. They always have uthi jonge ushaye 360 bese ubuye ungitshela ukuthi ngimubi. Anyway, on today's video, we are talking about the South African panel judge for Miss South Africa. We are talking about Sinegoku and Maneo. We are talking about Lerato Kganyago coming for the people who've been bullying her in the DMs. Did you guys watch Big Brother Umlilo season 5? If you didn't, we've got the superstar Mandy Hagen, who is my colleague here on YouTube. She's got a beautiful lifestyle channel where she shows you her life and invites you to come be her subscriber. Please go over there. She's on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Okay, please let's get her quickly there so that we can do the celebrations. Go over there and support her. Mandy, I love you, baby. They had announced the judges who will be on the panel for Miss South Africa. And when I tell you, when Cindy Mahlangu's name came up, people said, what? Where are all the Miss South Africans from the past? UCindy udume ngani? UCindy uconteste kuphi? No guys, nirongo acrimony. Nirongo acrimony. They say variety is the spice of life, okay? You can't have all beauty queens judging. I guess we need variety. And let's not forget that we've had a lot of people on the judging panel who were not former beauty queens. We've had soccer players even, actors, people from the education sector, people from the corporate sector. Why, when it's Cindy Mahlangu, you draw the line? Is it because she's friends nomakoti wase Sweden? Why do you draw the line when it's Cindy Mahlangu? Why do you think the panel choosing people are out of options because they've asked Cindy Mahlangu? And yet she's an actress. So on that day, she will act like she was a former Miss South Africa so that she can judge accordingly and appropriately. No, and emuhle. So beauty, queen, beauty influencer, they are not next to each other, but they are 6 gun big stock in the same pot. Yo, Lerato Kganyago. Ukwate. She is on episode 7 of Chisa Mpama. And you remember that we did a story 2 days ago regarding the ownership of the hotel, and that her husband's name came up in the Madlanga Commission, and it seems like the husband is doing the crooked businesses in the shady places. When it's dark, they are doing nightmare. When it's light, it's like they are living a dream. They are doing Valentine's. Abadu! They went to Lerato, they were like, oh, Sisi, you are not Mgiligudu. You are a skibenga. Okay? And then they started saying very horrible things. Don't ever go to someone's DMs and write this nasty stuff because you are a keyboard warrior and you are hiding behind a cell phone or a computer. Don't ever do these things in people's DMs. Telling Lerato that she's unable to have children because she's a skibenga. And it's always women. It's always women. This is why Basbi's Ama 1000. You understand? Why ni vile kanje? What does her womb have to do with anything that is happening in the streets of the criminology? Don't do that. You are not God. You have no authority over anyone's womb. Uthule nje. So manje Ulerato was retaliating and she was going to these people's profiles and exposing them on her Instagram. Yay, bekuyi-wishy-wishy. Kungasashubanga. Taking the bombs. Boo, boo, boo. Seeing us. Yesterday was insane online, okay? Everyone was crashing out. And when I say everyone, I'm talking about Sims Right. Sims Right, who is she? I don't know. I'm Simpiwe, okay? I don't want to talk about the past. Don't. Yenina. Ankere, we still on the Lerato Kganyago topic. The hotel put out a statement and they were distancing Lerato from the ownership of the hotel. And we were like, but social media never forgets. You remember when Lerato was standing 10 toes down, telling us this is definitely her hotel, and she put out statements and she put out tweets saying, this is my hotel. So then, when you dig deeper into the CIPC, that's where you see people and their business and their ownerships. It shows that Lerato is actually on the documentation for the restaurant in the hotel, and the director is Figile Ndlala. Maybe someone related to Tami Ndlala because they both share a surname. But when it comes to the ownership of the hotel, it's like they did the things to make the things to disappear. So now Lerato has nothing to do with the hotel, and Yiti manje eslanyai. Yeah, no, Yita's wrong, man, because she came and she said, yes, this is her hotel. We saw the Valentine's post. This was a gift. The hotel was wrapped in the longest bow I've ever seen. I think they bought that bow from Jupiter. Manje sebati, no. What you saw is what you didn't see. Rabubi, Lisilo, Emzino Zinzizwa, Virus Makeup, says confused, Yiti, esi wrong. Yeah? Yeah, no, kuning, and it's bad. So let's just, you know what? Salaganjal. Prayers, sorrows. Luna. Thereby Sinekuku. You know, I was watching her latest vlog, which was about 2 weeks ago, right? And as I was watching the vlog, towards the end, she starts speaking about the spirit of discernment and sharing information with someone you call a friend. Meanwhile, that friend is going behind your back, talking to other people about your business. And she was saying that she's been praying and she's been praying. And during this praying era, the man above is revealing a lot of things to her, and she's cutting a lot of people off because those people do not have good intentions towards her. They come like angels, but actually 666 toenails of Satan. And so now she never said anyone's name, guys. Let's keep that in mind. She never said anyone's name. Tell me why I'm like, Because trust me, guys, when you are married, a lot of things you see with the naked eye. Ask me, I know, I've witnessed, I've experienced. People that you think, don't think you must thonk when you are married. You must thonk and use the back of your cerebrum because what? Okay? I go to the comment section. People start making assumptions and assuming that the person that Sinekuku is talking about is Maneo. I said, never, not my colleague. not my colleague. Why? She's also have a beautiful life of her own, a beautiful family of her own, a beautiful content creation of her own. It can't be. Then they said it once, twice, 3 times, 10 times, 14 times. I said, Angie Muteka Tsuka OC. It's our time to be the defense force. They are coming for Maneo, Angie. Hey, but you know what I thought? Because I am not a religious follower of Sinekuku. And I always told you guys, if there's anyone who will always come up with information, it's people that follow you, subscribe to you, and DM you. People that are always like your backers. They know. They will even like, today your eye looks like the spear of an eagle in the shadow's eye. And then you're like, what? They're like, yeah, Sims, like me. People are coming for my tongue, like, Sims tongue. Abantu sebathi mina ngine-thrush, ngine-fungal. Yay, can't you know, guys? It's just antibiotics. Some medications have side effects. Please, please, But who saw it? It's the people, the watchers, the viewers. Hey, hungata. But then I was so like concerned because no, guys, Google did not say anyone's name. Then I went to their Instagrams. These people are still both following each other. So qhubeka ntoni ku-acrimony? Who is the battery? Who is Tyler Perry? And us. But I was like, nithini manje? You guys know a lot. I keep saying our hawks don't have enough people. General Mkhwanazi is busy there fighting alone when he has me, you, Zinhle, Nomuhle, Thuli, Busisiwe, Kamukhelo, Kenza. We are so many that can be FBI investigators, because when it comes to our favorites business, we are in there swimming deep under, beneath, above, low. Western Sister Bettina on Soul City. Hey, siyazazi indaba zabantu. Yabona thina akekho ongathini thini. And sikhuluma ngathi besikhona. Uyangazi mina masengihlelile esofeni ngikhuluma nani ngithi hayi mina, and then she went, and then she ngathi bengilapha kanti boom,